Vande
Welcome to the 38th edition of Pod Universal, India's first pod magazine published by Prime Point Foundation. In this edition, we bring you an exclusive message of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, to the Indian youth. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam met the partner organization of India Vision Group on 24th July 2008. India Vision Group is an internet discussion group founded by Prime Point Foundation in 2003 as a platform to bring together all the Indian youth to participate in the nation-building activities. Presently, the India Vision Discussion Group has got 8 partner organizations, namely Suyam Charitable Trust, India Sudar, Dream India, Manam Malarattum, Team Everest, Nandana Trust, Young Helping Mind and Saigam Foundation were all involved in the social activities without any publicity. India Vision Group is also publishing a bi-monthly e-zine, Vande Mataram, projecting the unsung heroes and their activities. The moderators of India Vision Group, the leaders of the partner organizations and the editorial members of Vande Mataram met Dr. Abdul Kalam on 26th July 2008. Dr. Kalam spent nearly 1 hour with the team and was discussing various activities done by the partner organizations very minutely and offered lot of suggestions. He was focusing on providing moral education to the children, avoiding school dropouts in the villages and to engage them in the vocational training, involvement of educated and committed youth in the politics and many more things. Though the meeting took place between 12 midnight and 1 a.m., Dr. Kalam was looking fresh and cheerful after the day-long hectic activities. The team wanted to share the inspiration with others also and requested him to give a message. Please listen to the exclusive message of Dr. Abdul Kalam for the Indian youth recorded at that time.
People of India, we have a unique vision. That unique vision to give smiles to billion people. Youth smiles to billion. How we can give? Only we have to empower the youth. How we can empower the youth? Number one, youth should have a aim in life. No aim in life. Then one, we have to achieve the aim in life, he or she has to acquire the knowledge. Then third thing is work hard. Fourth thing, perseverance. If all these four, aim in life, acquiring the knowledge, and hard work, and perseverance, if all these four is there, nation, individuals become great, society becomes great, and nation becomes great. Okay, sir, that's the message.
That was an exclusive message from Dr. Abdul Kalam to the Indian youth. If you want to join the India Vision movement, please visit www.indiavision2020.org and join the India Vision discussion group. With Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as a mentor and with a brigade of vibrant youth, India is definitely marching towards developed nation by 2020. For more updates on Pod Universal, log on to www.poduniversal.com. Please send in your comments and suggestions to editor@poduniversal.com. This is K. Srinivasan, editor of Pod Universal, signing off from the show. Jai Hind.